Good afternoon. You're joining us at the KUKA SCM stand at PPMA. We'd just like to showcase some of the things we've got here, which are all to do with driving industry forward, which is a big part of Industry 4.0. Obviously with Industry 4.0, what you're looking for is flexibility, looking for feedback and data. That can be accomplished by the new LBRE we're here, which has got lots of feedback areas, and the ability to be able to do individual areas of batch one. Now behind me over to my right there, we have got a little robot working off a video system. Now the idea of that one is that the robot camera is looking at what needs to be done, then we're generating the program from it. So there's no programming involved in the robot itself, it's all being driven by the camera. By doing that, we can be having any amount of different products coming through each time. We image the system, we decide on the program, we run that program. That's starting to give manufacturers the flexibility. Now, one of the big things we've got is how do we get 4.0 into existing manufacturers? It's obviously very easy to buy new equipment, but not everybody's in that position to buy new equipment. So we've got to look about where we can add cameras, add sensors, add robots to existing equipment and bring that up to the Industry 4.0 standard. KUKA are able to do that with the benefits of our partners such as SCM Handling.